Dream big, start small. In a small village in Brazil, Lucas looked out of the window. He dreamed of doing big things. He wanted to travel, make money, and be known. But today he felt lost. Grandpa, how can I have big dreams when my life feels so small? Lucas asked. Grandpa Joao sat next to Lucas and smiled. Lucas, big dreams are like trees. They don't grow in one day. You start with a small seed and care for it every day. But how do I start? Lucas asked. One small step at a time, Joao said. Lucas thought about Grandpa's words. He did not need to do everything at once. He just needed to take one small step. That day, he decided to help his father in the small shop. In the shop, Lucas worked hard. He cleaned, helped customers, and learned about selling things. His father saw Lucas trying his best and was proud of him. This is how it starts, Lucas thought. One small step. After many days of working, Lucas had an idea. What if we sell different things in the shop? He asked his father. His father smiled. That is a good idea, Lucas. Let's try it. Lucas and his father started selling new things like toys and snacks. At first, only a few people bought them, but Lucas didn't give up. He remembered what Grandpa said: dream big, but start small. Every day, Lucas worked hard in the shop. He watched how small changes made a big difference. More people came and the shop got busier. One day, Grandpa Joao visited the shop. I see you doing well, Lucas, he said. Remember, it's not about how fast you grow. It's about taking each step wisely. Lucas nodded. He was learning more each day. Lucas started to dream bigger. Maybe one day I can open my own shop, he thought. But he knew he needed to be patient and keep working hard. Lucas saw how the small changes he made helped the shop grow. Every small win matters, he told himself. He knew that his big dream was still far away, but he was getting closer. One day, Lucas made a mistake in the shop. He felt bad, but Grandpa Joao told him, mistakes are part of the journey, Lucas. Don't be afraid of them. Learn from them. Lucas learned from his mistake and continued working hard. He started thinking about how to bring more people to the shop. He asked friends to tell others about the shop. Lucas noticed that people started trusting him more. They liked his new ideas and how friendly he was in the shop. Trust takes time, Grandpa reminded him, but once you have it, your dreams will grow faster. Lucas saved some money from his work. It wasn't a lot, but it felt good. This is a small reward for your hard work, his father told him. Lucas was proud of his progress. One day, a big store opened in the town. Lucas was worried that people would stop coming to their shop, but Grandpa Joao reminded him, stay focused on your small steps. Don't give up. Lucas thought about how to make the shop special. He decided to add a delivery service. It was something the big store didn't offer. Lucas started delivering goods to the people's homes. They were happy and the word spread. Helping others will always make your dreams grow, Grandpa said. With the new service, more people came to the shop. Lucas' small steps were turning into bigger success. He could see his dream growing. After many months, Lucas saved enough money to start thinking about his own shop. He knew it wouldn't happen overnight, but he was ready to take the next small step. One evening, Lucas and Grandpa Joao sat outside the shop. "You see, Lucas," Grandpa said, "big dreams need small steps. Keep going, and one day your dreams will be even bigger than you imagined." Lucas smiled. He was ready to keep dreaming big and stepping small. The moral of the story is that great achievements begin with small steps. By working hard, staying patient, and being consistent, you can turn even the biggest dreams into reality. It's not about where you start, but the dedication and persistence you put in along the way. Thanks for watching. Please give this video a like, click on subscribe, and share for more great content. Keep learning, stay inspired, and I'll see you in the next video.